Hi everyone, Camila Rinaldi here from NextPit.com, and it's IFA time. Today I'm with these two devices in my hands. This is the Lenovo Tab P11 and the P11 Pro. We had a chance to test these both devices and I will talk about it in this video. Let's have a look at it. With a screen diagonal of 11 inches, the Tab P11 Pro weighs 480 grams and feels good in the hands. With a 100 Hz OLED display, consuming content or using the tablet as a support device for study or work seems to be a good option, especially when we think about the cost-benefit of the P11 Pro. The stylus support wins points here. Running on Android 12, the user interface is colorful, but we still don't have the full integration with dynamic themes. Also, the P11 Pro is not yet adapted for the Android 12L for larger screens, but according to Lenovo, the update is on its way. By the way, both models will receive updates until Android 14, which means we will have 2 years of guaranteed system updates. Performance-wise, the P11 Pro is packed by the MediaTek 1300T processor and can be found in variants of 4, 6 and 8 GB of RAM and 128 and 256 GB of ROM, which fits to the intermediate tablet category. To handle it all, the battery capacity is 8000 mAh. In addition, both front camera and rear camera did not impress us. If you use the device for video calls, be aware that the image quality will be directly related to the amount of light in your environment. Finally, the model we liked the most was of course the Lenovo Tab P11 Pro, because it has the best value for money of the series. The next generation Lenovo Tab P11 series tablets are interesting for those who have a tight budget and want to have a support device for study and work. You can find the new series in stores starting in October with a starting price of $299. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time. Bye!